Hello, my name is Daniel Gonzalez. I am a college student who attends Florida International University. In this video, I will be showing you how to schedule an appointment with your advisor through Panther Success Network. If you have ever struggled with this task before, I assure you that this video will show you how to complete it step by step. Before we begin though, you do need a technological device that gives you access to internet. So, get your device and let's get to it. Now that you have your technological device, let's start with the first step. First, choose your preferred browser. An example of a browser may be Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once you have made your selection, enter the following link in the browser's address bar: https://my.fiu.edu. Then enter. Then click on the upper right button that says Login to my FIU. The website should then show you a login section that says My FIU. In this section, fill out the necessary fields that ask for your username and password. Then click Login. After entering your information, the website should show your My FIU portal. Upon first entering the My FIU portal, the portal will contain 14 main sections that you can choose from. To access the Panther Success Network, click on the section named Academic Advising. This section will also have an image that has two animated people with circle-like shapes on the top of their heads and one animated person with the graduation cap on. After entering that section, the website will now contain 9 sections. Click on the section that is named Success Network. This section will also have an image that has 4 animated people that are connected to one main animated person. You will now be directed to the Panther Success Network landing page. Click on the Go to Panther Success Network button. After clicking the button, you will be sent to a separate website. The website will have a heading named Student Home. To schedule an appointment with your academic advisor, click on the Schedule an Appointment button at the top right-hand corner of your Student Home page. Once you click on the Schedule an Appointment button, you will be directed to the New Appointment page, where it says what type of appointment would you like to schedule. Begin by selecting Academic Advising. Next, select from the Service drop-down menu the type of advising you wish to receive. In your case, select the General Advising option that correlates with your major. There will be a Pick a Date drop-down menu. For easier convenience, it is best to leave the option on the date that is given for now. Then, click Find Available Time. You will now be directed to the next page. On the right side of the page, there will be a section that says Online Advising. Dates will be shown with the times that your advisor is available. Since your advisor may be busy, there is a chance that there will be no available dates on the right side of the page. To find the closest available date and time slot that accommodates your schedule, click on Dates on the Pick a Date calendar until time slots appear on the right side. Once the right side appears with time slots, click on the specific time under the specific day that you would like. You will then be sent to the next page that says Review Appointment Details and Confirm. In this page, you will be given the chance to confirm the appointment details. Depending on the availability, you may also be given the opportunity to choose where you would like to have the appointment. Click on the How would you like to meet drop-down menu and choose your preferred location. If there are no options to choose from, then choose the only option available. There's also the option for you to add any comments you have in the Would you like to share anything else section. In this section, you can specify details such as the reason for the meeting or any questions that you may have. Also, there are 2 optional selections. The email and text message reminder options both send you reminders before your meeting. If you would like to enable the text message reminder, you would have to give your phone number. After completing the required field, click on the Schedule button to confirm. Once you have confirmed the appointment, you will receive a confirmation message. And there you have it. By using these steps, you can now schedule an appointment with your advisor. Thank you for watching, and I really hope this video helped any student who had trouble with this task. Go Panthers!